Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Delta Executor upgrade. So click on the Roblox icon right here, click app info, click on storage and cache, clear cache, then clear storage, click on delete right here, then go back, permissions, click camera, allow, then contacts, allow, then microphone, then contacts, and notification turn on. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Hope it fixed your problem. Please like and subscribe for more. Leave a comment if you need more help. Bye.